A day of my life as a vlogger with Karil. Hello, ako ini si Ma'am Prasi. And ini siya si hello. Ako ngan si Karel Cassandra. And amo ni akong sign name Casey. Sara amon kamo tudloan sang sign language. Andam na bak. Now we will sign the daily conversation. So, number 1. How's it going? Number 2. Can I help with anything? Alright. Number 3. What's up? What's up? Okay. Number 4. What meaning? Meaning later. Wait. Go po again. Next. Can repeat that please. Alright. Number 6. It's me. Do you have a time? Meaning, do you have time? Meaning, example, have ko gidu, busy ko. So, together sa ta. Example, do ko dire, busy. Excuse me. Okay, next. I'm running out late. Okay. Yes. Meaning, need fast. Why late na ko? Dali. Okay. What do you think? Okay. Example. Ask what do not do. What do you think ato do? Next. Next. Meaning, let me know. Meaning, example, if have ka secret. Okay, that sounds great. I'm not sure about that. Okay, meaning, example, have ka gi-ask nga. True ni? Ang detail niya. Sure. Next. Have a nice day. I appreciate that. Meaning, pero ko ba? I appreciate. Example, have birthday ni mo. Kung nag-gift. Wow, nice. I appreciate it. Thank you. Then, meaning, example, karon nagtalk ta. Next, take care. Okay, how was your day? Okay, meaning, what happens sa example, nag-school ka, ask mama, how was your day? Or have ka glag ask mama, mag-story ka what happens in one day. And next, okay, meaning, example, have share idea. Example, nag-drawing. Next, meaning, example, confused ko, don't know. Mag-ask ka pa. Next, don't worry about it. Meaning, example, then I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. Meaning, tomorrow, meet. Okay? Hope you've learned. Bye-bye.